Howdy folks, Nick Offerman here, ready to guide you on a journey back to simpler times. Remember the days when the best entertainment came from our own two hands? Today we're gonna tap into that spirit and craft ourselves a good, old-fashioned bamboo slingshot. This ain't just about launching projectiles, it's about connecting with a tradition as old as time. It's about the satisfaction of building something with your own two hands and the joy of watching it work. So grab your tools, find yourself a sturdy piece of bamboo, and let's get started. Remember folks, safety always comes first. We're gonna have a rootin' tootin' good time, but we're gonna do it responsibly. So put on your safety glasses, clear the area, and let's get crafting. Now you might be wondering, Nick, why bamboo? Well, let me tell you, bamboo ain't just for pandas and tiki torches. It's a darn near perfect material for slingshots. First off, bamboo is strong. It can withstand the tension needed for launching projectiles without snapping like a twig. This makes it incredibly reliable. Second, it's lightweight and easy to work with. You don't need a fancy workshop and a whole mess of tools to shape this stuff. A simple knife and some creativity will do. And lastly, bamboo is readily available. Just make sure you're harvesting it responsibly, folks. Respect Mother Nature. Once you've found your perfect piece of bamboo, it's time to prep it for slingshot glory. The process is straightforward and rewarding. We'll get into the specifics in the next section, but for now, just know that bamboo's natural strength and flexibility make it the ideal choice for our project. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching! Before we dive into the crafting process, let's gather our tools and materials. Don't worry folks, this ain't no highfalutin shopping list. We're keeping it simple and straightforward. Here's what you'll need: a sturdy piece of bamboo about 2 feet long and 1 to 2 inches in diameter, a sharp knife or saw, some sandpaper, a length of strong rubber bands, a piece of leather or sturdy fabric for the pouch, safety glasses. See? Nothing too fancy. You probably have most of this stuff lying around your workshop already. And if not, a quick trip to the hardware store should do the trick. Remember, the best tools are the ones you already have, and the best projects are the ones that don't break the bank. Section 4, Crafting Your Bamboo Masterpiece. Now comes the fun part, folks. Crafting our bamboo masterpiece. This is where your creativity and craftsmanship come into play, transforming a simple piece of bamboo into something truly special. Don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, you'll find this project both enjoyable and rewarding. Step 1. Shaping the Y-fork. This is the foundation of your slingshot, so take your time to get it right. Start by finding the natural Y-fork in your bamboo piece. Look for a sturdy, well-formed fork that will provide a solid base for your slingshot. This will form the handle and arms of your slingshot. Make sure it's comfortable to hold and has a good balance. Use your saw or knife to carefully cut away any excess bamboo, shaping the fork to your liking. Precision is key here, so take your time. Step 2. Sanding and smoothing. This step ensures that your slingshot is not only functional but also comfortable to use. Once you're happy with the shape of your fork, it's time to smooth out any rough edges. This will make your slingshot safer and more pleasant to handle. Use sandpaper to give the entire surface a good once-over. Pay special attention to any areas that might cause discomfort or splinters. Remember folks, we want a slingshot that feels good in the hand, not one that'll give you splinters. A smooth finish is essential for a comfortable grip. Step 3. Attaching the rubber bands. This is where your slingshot gets its power, so it's important to do it right. Now it's time to give our slingshot some launching power. The rubber bands will provide the necessary tension for shooting. Cut your rubber bands to the desired length, making sure they're long enough to provide good tension, but not so long that they're difficult to pull back. This balance is crucial for optimal performance. Attach the ends of the rubber bands securely to the tips of the Y-fork arms. Ensure they are firmly in place to avoid any mishaps during use. Step 4. Creating the pouch. This is where you'll hold your projectiles, so it needs to be sturdy and well made. Take your leather or fabric and cut out a small pouch about 2 to 3 inches long and 1 to 2 inches wide. The size can vary depending on your preference and the size of your projectiles. Fold the pouch in half and secure the sides with stitching or glue, leaving the top open. This will create a pocket for holding your ammunition. Attach the pouch to the rubber bands, making sure it's centered and secure. Step 5. Final touches. This is where you can add your personal flair. With the pouch attached, your bamboo slingshot is nearly complete. Just a few more steps to make it truly yours. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. You've put in the effort, and it shows. You can add some personal touches like carving your initials into the handle or wrapping the grip with leather or twine. These small details can make your slingshot unique and special. Section 5. Safety first, fun always. Now before you go launching anything across the backyard, let's talk safety. It's crucial to understand the potential risks involved. A slingshot ain't a toy, folks. It's a powerful tool that can cause serious harm if not used properly. It's a tool that demands respect. Treat it with the same caution you would any other potentially dangerous item. First and foremost, always wear your safety glasses when using your slingshot. Protecting your eyes is non-negotiable. A stray projectile can cause serious injury and we don't want anyone losing an eye on our watch. Always be prepared for the unexpected. Second, never aim your slingshot at another person or animal. It's not just dangerous, it's irresponsible. This ain't a game of cowboys and Indians. We need to be mindful of our actions and their consequences. We're responsible slingshot enthusiasts, and that means using our creations safely and ethically. Always think before you shoot. Finally, store your slingshot responsibly when not in use. Proper storage prevents accidents. Keep it out of reach of children and in a safe, dry place. This ensures it remains in good condition and ready for safe use. Remember folks, safety is about more than just protecting yourself. It's about protecting those around you as well. Let's make sure everyone has fun, safely. Section 6. Showcasing your creation and exploring new horizons. Congratulations folks, you've just crafted your very own bamboo slingshot. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. Feel that sense of accomplishment wash over you. You've earned it. Now what are you waiting for? Grab some suitable projectiles. I recommend small clay balls or marbles, and head outside to test out your creation. Just remember those safety tips, folks. Once you've mastered the art of the slingshot, why stop there? The world of DIY is vast and full of possibilities. Try crafting a bow and arrow, building a birdhouse, or even tackling a woodworking project. The sky's the limit, folks. Section 7. A farewell to fellow craftsmen. Well folks, it's been a pleasure guiding you on this slingshot crafting adventure. Remember, the true reward ain't in the finished product, but in the journey itself. It's about the satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands, the joy of learning new skills, and the pride of carrying on a time-honored tradition. So, go forth and craft, my friends, and remember, whether you're building a slingshot, a birdhouse, or a better tomorrow, always do it with passion, integrity, and a healthy dose of good old-fashioned elbow grease. Until next time, stay crafty, stay curious, and stay true to yourselves. This is Nick Offerman signing out.